who's at the center? Who's at the center? Because all of us revolve our lives around something. Sometimes it's family, sometimes it's work, sometimes it's other people, maybe it's a specific family member, maybe it's a specific aspiration that you have in life. But all of our lives revolve or orbit around something. Whatever is at the center controls my course. Here's what that means. Whatever is in the middle of my life, whatever my life revolves around, controls my course, and no matter what I do, I can't get out of its power. The only way to change my course is to replace who I'm revolving around. I can't help but wonder that maybe our life as a whole is centered on God's presence. But could there be certain aspects of our life? Maybe it's a facet, maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's a certain part of your life that doesn't revolve around God. Maybe it revolves around something else. Some things in our walk with God, we don't even have to struggle with how to decide on that, right? There are some activities that's not even okay, do I do that or do I not? It's already decided. Why? Because I'm in a gravitational pull. I'm revolving around a center, and that center is God, right? Whenever a planet or an object gets around a bigger object, that gravitational force starts to put it into some kind of orbit, doesn't it? And it starts to revolve around that, and it can't get out no matter how hard it tries. Why? Because it's caught in the pull of that thing. And whenever I submit myself to the gravitational pull of something, I all of a sudden start revolving around that. And no matter what I do, I can't get out of its control. The only way to change my course is to replace who's in the center. What is in the gravitational orbit of your life right now that would shift when you made God your center? What relationships at work? What situations with your family right now? What are some issues that are happening with your children, with friends, maybe a sibling, maybe at school? When you decide, I'm going to dedicate my life to worshiping God, and I'm going to make sure that all of these things in my life revolve